We've always wanted a conservatory. So when we moved into this house, we were determined that one of our first projects was going to be to build a conservatory. Well, we started looking at what I call mainstream conservatory companies, and basically we couldn't afford them. And then we found Conservatory land. When we saw their operation, we thought, yeah, got to go with these guys. They're very professional. It was all totally transparent, and the prices were very good as well. So that kind of sold us on Conservatory land, really. We went up to see the factory and the operation, and we sat down with the guy and he gave us a load of designs. He emailed them all to us and we went through them, and they really gave us an pretty much exact copy of how the conservatory looks now. There was nothing like hidden. They told us, you know, we buy the UPVC from here, we make this, let's go and have a look at the welding department. So it was really very impressive, their setup. We decided to go for the self-build option because it was going to save us money, and we've done sort of projects, renovation projects in the past. It was a bit scary when the guys arrived. The whole garage was full of bits of glass and conservatory parts, but in fact everything went really, really smoothly. The instructions are amazing. They've got videos on the YouTube channel, and you've got the customer service, so that if there's something you're not sure about, then you can phone them up. I mean, all the parts are color-coded, so in a way it's like a sort of giant flat pack. In terms of the construction, my wife and I did 90% of it ourselves. You need a couple of guys to do the heavy parts, but apart from that, it's pretty straightforward. When we put in the last piece of glass, it was just amazing. We couldn't stop taking photos of it. We stayed up till, I don't know, really late, just kind of going, isn't this great? I would recommend Conservatory land without hesitation.